Bread's always a touchy subject. It's expensive, it's hard to get good bread. Nothing nearby us has any good bread, and half the time, buy it from the store, overpriced, goes bad in 2 days. So the fact that we have had the pleasure of making it in our own house, and not me specifically when I say we, but we, and this is what it looks like. And this is probably 3 or 4 days old already. So this is now probably gonna be French toast or even breadcrumb worthy, but it's beautiful. It's better than any of the bakeries around here. Good bread, you know, from a grocery store is about $8 even, and that gets you half of a loaf of sourdough. So having good bread made in the house where you can be doing it every couple days, fresh one coming out, true pleasure, true delight, true luxury. Check it out. We are total beginner bread makers, so we're fortunate to know somebody that's able to give us a starter like we have here. This is the starter. The world of bread is an unknown world. You want good sourdough, you need a good starter. Where do you get it? Facebook Marketplace. There's online options, but Facebook Marketplace, and if you type in sourdough starter, right off the gate, it will send you to it, and there's plenty of these locally. $10, 7, 15, high end. Now you know the range. These are all local, so tried and true. There's people that do this all the time. They're selling you starters, and this is kind of something that will be a little bit easier, get you in the door with, rather than trying to get your own starter. Now we're gonna figure out what we do with this next and how this turns into this. To me, seems crazy, scary, intimidating process. Lots of different ways to do things. We personally got advice from our neighbor, also the starter from them. We take their instructions. I'm sure there's a lot of different ways to do it. Tell us the way you do it. See how the simple steps go. Sourdough bread, I feel like you need it every pretty much 2 days, maybe 3 days max. You're popping out a loaf out of that oven. So because of that, we're keeping this starter on the countertop and we're feeding it daily, like almost an animal in addition to your family. Here you are, you got this starter. You're thinking about it at night, you can't go to sleep because you didn't feed your starter, but that is something we're doing daily. I'm sure there's a lot of different amounts you can be feeding starter, but that's what's been working for us. To get good bread, you find what works and you stick with it. So that's that. So we're looking for 100 grams of the starter. Then we'll take the rest of it, put it in our discard bin, which could be used for other baking purposes and or any emergency situations. So 100 grams. Get a scale. Let's see what it looks like. A pretty solid guess. We're at 98. We've got 100 grams of starter here. We're gonna put it back in this jar. We only have one jar, so we actually just cleaned it, but I would suggest getting 2. We plan on getting 2. So we put this 100 grams back in this jar, and then we need 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of water. We'll add it all up. Yeah. No more treats, guys. Too late for sugar. Start with the water. 28. Ooh, 88. 92. We can go to the bathroom. Can I take it off the scale now? Okay, see, this is new to me. This is new to me. Don't want to damage the scale. We're mixing. You might think this band is just for decor, but there's a purpose. We put this band on to mark where we start with here. So we're gonna bring it up to right around level line. Then we're gonna watch our baby grow before our eyes. Check it out. The crown is on. She's ready for sleep. Good morning. It's the morning time. And last night we fed this. This was a line that we had where it was the night before, literally around 9 p.m. Now it's about 10 a.m. We're up here. It's active. It's ready to go. Next steps per the recipe, 120 grams of the starter. So we're gonna weigh it out. Okay, here we go. Very molassesy. 120, yep, okay, 44, 50. It's all new to me still too, kids. So we're gonna take this active yeast, put it aside later tonight, do the same thing we did last night, feed it, and the cycle continues. We got 120 grams ready to go. Now we're gonna put it in the bowl. We have lukewarm water. Not cold, not hot, somewhere in the middle. 363 grams. Let's go. We got 100, 352, 364, 362. We're dumping the water in. Next up. So why I spent $10. I was also like you guys on ship bread. You've probably seen this tool, walked by it, didn't look back because it was awkward, didn't know what the hell it was. So that's what I've done, I think. But we're gonna take this, don't know the name of it, but we're gonna whisk it together. It's obviously some type of whisk. It's nice because I guess it doesn't, you just lost a little there. Get the scale, get it to 0. Jeez, it's not even moving. There we go, we got 8, 10, 12. We're gonna go 12. Dump it in. $500 grams of flour, small bowls, regular bowl size. So we're gonna go 250 twice here. The metal bowls I have too large and I can't really get the readout on the scale. So we're gonna just keep it easy and do it twice, make it nice. Just made waffles this morning, so I'm pretty warmed up with the wrist motion. Now we gotta let it rest. We're gonna cover it. Once an hour, we're gonna stretch and fold the dough. So that's coming up. The work continues. Second, fold and wrap. Stretch and fold. This is the second stretch and fold we're doing. I'm a newbie. Not easy. That wasn't a good flop. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. It's a little lopsided.